Morning people, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. And it's humid out here again, but that's life. We do live in South Carolina. Love it. This is hive number 163. No, it's not. It's 63 East Fence. And it's a little nuke. It was having a little problems to start with, but I think we got all that fixed. We had an unmarked queen on 725, unmarked, and I marked her on 822. Last time we was in here was 829. So we're going to look and see how they're doing. Remember, pick up the top with the hive tool. Don't stick your finger in there. And they're all excited to see me. Hi, girls. Yeah. You know what's going to happen, don't you? Yeah. You're going to get food and pollen and a peppermint candy. Had a couple of beetles in there. But you're going to have a couple of beetles in the hive no matter how many times you look at it. Okay. Got a couple of worms in the peppermint. This stuff, pollen. Had a couple under it anyway, and that's enough for me. But we're going to have to check them for beetles. And squish what we can. Oh, that's up, little one. Now I have my brick turned up straight like that, and that's supposed to indicate that it's a nuke and ready if somebody wants it. That's my secretary. This one has a yellow queen. It has brood. It has nectar. It has larvae. There's the queen. We're going to put her back in the house. We don't want her getting too stressed out. Bottom looks good. Mama's back in the house. This one here has brood and larvae and nectar, little honey. Don't know where the bugs run off to. We have some very young eggs in there. Okay, on your right side is nectar, and on your right side, up to about middle ways, a little more, is brood and eggs and larvae. Hope y'all saw that. She could probably use another box. This one here has nectar, larvae, eggs, brood. Same thing on that side. Remember I told y'all before that the queen will cover this there, and once the bees in the middle, queens lay in circles, okay? When she lays all this out in here, and she keeps going here as long as the frames are ready, and then once these hatch out, she'll come back and start doing it again. All this is laid up in here. Eggs over here. Hope y'all can see that. That's on that side. Hey girls. We got the entry of that one over here on this side. But they're good girls. They're calm, gentle. This one here is just like the last one. It has eggs and brood and honey and nectar. And bees hatching. But you know what I don't see is a lot of pollen. But that one is laid up with something. This is all honey in here, and this is nectar, and from here over is eggs and brood. And here's a little girl right here being hatched. Today's her first day of seeing sunshine. But yeah, we might put them another box in here. I'll put them a box in here with maybe 2 frames to build out. She's out now. That's why she was on the end. This one here has some pollen and some nectar, some honey, some brood. This is their honey frame. Right here they got a little brood. Why? I don't know. Other than that's where they put them. They know more about bee stuff than I do. But yeah, we'll put them another box on. But that's them, y'all. But like I say, we were worried about this, and this is what we do with dead out hives. People ask me about having small nukes and stuff. Well, I just don't show very much of the big ones. We have them. We'll take a frame from a dead out that the queen didn't come back, and we'll stick them in one of these. We'll spray them down with sugar water, and then we'll put them in one of these, and it helps the hive to grow up, because you figure she hasn't been laying long. So we're going to put this back on. Put their sugar frame back on. I mean their sugar thing. Put it right there. We'll give them some pollen, because we didn't see much. We don't have much on the pollen thing right now from what they say. And I don't understand it. We've been getting good rain off and on. Now, we don't get as much rain as they say we're getting. And some people might say you don't get rain because you're in a hole. Well, we're not in a hole, we're on a hill. The hole is off to the left. We'll give them some food, and we'll come back and give them a box. We filled up the food there. Put pine straw in there. so they don't drown when they're floating around drinking. Get their sugar fix. Come on, girls. Okay, we'll have to come back with a thing for that. And that's it, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Y'all give us a thumbs up, a comment, share it, show other people, tell other people. Y'all just have a great day. Be careful out there.